Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Doordash Red Card, a valuable tool for Dashers to pay for customer orders. To get started, you will need to set up your Red Card, which is a prepaid debit card provided by Doordash. First, open the Doordash Dasher app and navigate to the Red Card section. If you have not received your Red Card yet, you can request one through the app. Once you have your card, you will need to activate it by following the prompts in the app. Next, you will need to add your Red Card to the app by taking a photo of the card or manually entering the card details. This will link your Red Card to your Dasher account, allowing you to use it to pay for customer orders. When you receive a delivery request, the app will prompt you to use your Red Card to pay for the order. Simply select the Red Card as your payment method and the app will automatically charge the card. For the order total, it is essential to ensure that your Red Card has sufficient funds to cover the cost of the order. If your card balance is low, you may not be able to complete the delivery. You can check your Red Card balance at any time in the app. As a best practice, make sure to regularly check your Red Card balance and transaction history to ensure that everything is in order. You can also use the app to report any issues with your Red Card or to request a replacement card if it is lost or stolen. By following these steps, you can easily set up and use your Doordash Red Card to pay for customer orders. Remember to always keep your Red Card balance up to date and to monitor your transaction history to avoid any issues. With the Red Card, you can focus on delivering great customer service and earning more money as a Dasher.